Hello everyone, today we are going to look a Leetcode problem which is diameter of binary tree. So let's look the problem statement which say the diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between two nodes in a tree. This path may or may not pass through the root, which means let's say we are given a binary tree and here we have to find the diameter of it. So the diameter could be like this or like this or like this. So here its length is 3, here it's 4, and here it's also 4. So we have to return the diameter which is the maximum in all these. So let's dive into the coding part. So here we have to find the diameter of the binary tree. So for this, if you don't know how to calculate the depth of a binary tree, then I suggest to please watch the video given in the description, or you can directly access the GitHub code. Now I'm writing that maximum length part, so let me just copy paste this. And here I am getting max depth from this. Okay. Now let's say we want our answer as int answer, which is initially 0. And here we have to also keep that answer value in the function. So what we are doing to find the maximum depth of a binary tree is we simply create two integer function. Let's say integer x, another one is integer y, which is just calculating the length from the root left part and also the answer one, and the next is which calculate the root right part. Now let's say we are here giving our answer as, so why I am writing this maximum depth of binary tree is because what we can do is we can firstly calculate the we can firstly calculate the maximum length, which is this one, and the minimum length, which is this one, and we can simply add both of them to get our required answer, which is here it's 3 and here it's 2, but this root part calculated twice this time. But the root part calculated twice this time, so we can actually add both and reduce the one which is common in both the part. So that's why I am calculating maximum, or we can say maximum depth of binary tree. So yes, so here our answer stores the maximum of answer as well as x plus y. So whatever the maximum value, our answer contain that, and here we can simply just return 1 plus maximum of x or y, and here we have to simply just call this function like this. Let me copy this one. And we have to return the answer, but here we have to pass it through the root value. So again we have to check the corner cases, which is if our root is equal to null, then we have to simply return 0. Or we can add this one directly here. Now let's try to run this code. Yeah, it's working. Let's try to run the example as well. Okay, finally submitting it. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so cool. So this is the overall code for the problem to find the diameter of the binary tree, and this one is the code. You can access the code directly given in the description. Okay, thanks for watching.